My name is David White, and I'm based out of Newburgh, Indiana. Well, when I retired, since I've been busy for 20 and I've been in this one corporation for 40 years, since I retired, I just knew I couldn't sit around and do nothing. And several of my close friends also retired, and I've been telling them about ALGO and getting involved rather than sitting around and watching TV, traveling. And it was a good thing because of, COVID wasn't a good thing, but I was able to, just concentrate on the business during last year and a half.
So what sage wisdom and advice would you give them?
One is age and experience. With your age and experience, you'll always need a teacher, a coach, and a mentor. And that's what I'm telling my daughter and my friends, that it just doesn't matter. Sometimes you think you know everything, but the more you see that you didn't see. Don't try to go alone. In fact, I would highly recommend ALGO because you guys have kept your promise all along the way. I've been with ALGO probably about a year and a half. Well, 6 months out, I would love to be selling about $1,400 a day.
$1,400 a day. Okay.
$1,400 a day. Last year, I was in the six figures. Low six figures, because it was about $115,000 in sales. The biggest obstacles, in fact, Bob always talk about know before you go. I love that, because when I started, I didn't know. So I didn't know how to buy, I didn't know how to sell, I didn't know how to find suppliers, I didn't know how to, get on Dated and all that. So I guess my number one obstacle was once I learned how to buy and sell, was finding suppliers, and now my obstacle is finding great and good suppliers who's willing to work with me. I feel that I thoroughly know how to source and sell and buy product and analyze products. I've had probably over 80 now double checks. I believe in that.
That's great.
So just from the double checks, I've learned so much. That I wasn't looking at. I was looking a little bit here, a little bit there, but it just put the whole package together. In fact, I've even sponsored a couple people in your program, just to let them read the material, because it's really laid out very, very well. I mean, you just go from module to module to module, and then by joining the elite program and having a coach talk to me once a week, I mean, it's a no-brainer for me.
Right.
Okay? How important that is.